Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I really want to talk about why I do not use Robinhood or really recommend Robinhood. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you get anything, and I mean anything in value, hit that like button and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, concerns, ask them down in the comments, guys. And guys, we got merch. And we have anything from t-shirts, hoodies, and guys, even a fanny pack. So I'll put a link to that down below and you guys can at least check it out. Also guys, we do have a course and you guys can learn how to properly invest in the market. We talk about fundamental, technical analysis, how to find undervalued stock, taxes, dividends, REITs. We pretty much talk about it all. And I'll put a link to that down below so you guys can check that out too. So now, why I do not like Robinhood. Roll the intro, let's go. Bam! Now, what is Robinhood? Robinhood is an online stockbroker that really allows beginners to invest in the market. The reason why I say beginners is because you only need $1 to invest. Now, don't get me wrong, investing in general is perfect, and I would rather see you guys use Robinhood than not invest at all. That's not what I'm saying. All I'm saying is there's some things that pretty much you guys need to understand maybe before you use Robinhood, or if you're somebody who is using Robinhood, there could be better options elsewhere. Now, the very first thing I do not like about Robinhood is they are limited on accounts. Now, what this means is you probably don't even realize it, but when you sign up with Robinhood, you just opened up a standard broker's account. So there's no real tax benefits, it's not a retirement account. So the reason why this is so important is because for any long-term investor, for all of you guys who are investing for retirement, you guys are gonna get killed with taxes when you retire. So I would rather see you guys open up a IRA, traditional IRA, Roth IRA, and on Robinhood, you cannot do that. You will have to use like M1 Finance or TD Ameritrade if you guys want that. Now, the second thing I do not like about Robinhood is the very poor customer service. Good luck if you guys ever want to get in contact with someone and talk to them on the phone. The reason why I say this is because if you guys want to get in contact with someone, you do have to send them an email and then they will get back to you anywhere from a day to 3 days. So in some cases, you can wait up to 3 days just before you guys hear back from them, and they probably don't even answer your question. Now, the third thing I do not like about them, but it's not that big of a deal for me, is there is no mutual funds. Now, in general, I am not a huge mutual fund investor. The reason why is because mutual funds honestly will kill you in the long term with fees. The reason why I say that is because you get charged a loading fee, you get charged an annual fee, and since they actively buy and sell, they will kill you in taxes. So it's not that big of a deal if mutual funds aren't on this because I don't invest in them and I don't advise anyone else to invest in them. In general, I'm more into ETFs or index funds, which Robinhood does have, so that's at least pretty good. Now, the fourth thing I do not like about Robinhood is if you guys are a Robinhood user, I'm sure you guys can vouch for this, is they are constantly out of service. There has been multiple days, I know for a fact last year, and even some of them this year, where you guys cannot buy or sell. I remember in March when the market took a huge turmoil and everybody lost a lot of money, you could not buy or sell on Robinhood, and a lot of people were freaking out, and obviously I completely understand. You guys cannot hop out of your positions, or when things fall undervalued, you cannot buy in on a discount. I completely get it, guys. And that's one of the reasons why I don't like Robinhood in general. Now, the fifth thing I do not like about Robinhood is that it is not good for day trading. Yes, you can swing trade on Robinhood. The reason why is because you don't really care about that volatility, and honestly, you could lose a couple of cents and it's not that big of a deal. But with day trading, every penny matters. And the reason why I say this is because Robinhood honestly makes money from order flow. I'm sure you guys are well aware of it now because of the whole GameStop thing. And don't get me even started on that. But anyways, guys, so Robinhood makes money on overflow. So what that is if that's, say you want to buy a stock for $100, Robinhood could get that filled for that, just say $99.90. So there's that 10-cent window there. Do you think you get that 10 cent? No, Robinhood does. But still, what that means is you guys are not getting good, solid execution. The reason why this is because it is commission free. Robinhood has to make money somehow, guys, and that's how they do it. Now, if you guys are a day trader, I would rather see you guys, have a broker that does charge a fee. So I know you guys are getting the best execution possible because you're gonna make a lot more money in the long term, honestly paying for a commission, especially if you're an active trader. Now, the sixth thing I do not like about Robinhood is how easy it is to get margin. Pretty much margin margin is your money that you can invest, but it's not technically your money because you still have to pay it back with interest. So what this incentivizes is people to pretty much take out loans for their investing. I do not recommend it at all. Never invest with margin. You guys will lose a lot of money in the long term. It's like high risk, high reward. That's the way I think of it. But obviously Robinhood pretty much makes it very, very easy for people to hop in the driver's seat and get margin. And I think there's a lot of risk involved with that. Now the last and final thing that I really don't like about Robinhood is, yes, you can buy crypto on it. I think that's phenomenal, but you technically do not own it. The reason why is because you guys cannot send it to your crypto wallet. And I think that's terrible. I would rather see you guys use Coinbase that does, charge a little fee of like $1, and you guys can actually send that to your crypto wallet and you guys can spend it. You cannot spend Robinhood's Bitcoin because it's not yours. It's Robinhood's, guys. And I think a lot of people don't really realize it because, Robinhood, like I said, makes it very easy for people to just say, oh, I'll invest in this, but it's technically not yours, guys. So make sure you guys understand that, especially with crypto, because with your stocks, yes, you do own them, but crypto, you do not. Robinhood does. I think you guys need to read the fine print. But obviously, guys, investing in general is perfect, and I really, really recommend people to invest in the market, but just make sure that you guys understand the pros and cons with each broker. Now, the ones I recommend, right now I use TD Ameritrade for all my swing trades. Anytime I swing trade a position, I will use TD Ameritrade because it has alerts. I can get multiple different accounts with them. I have good solid charts, they have a scanning feature, and it's still commission free. And I understand that, yes, they're gonna make money somehow, whether it's through overflow or anything like that, but obviously it's still great. Now the second broker I use pretty much for all my long-term dividends and pretty much my IRA accounts is with M1 Finance. Now I love M1 Finance because they make it very easy for people to invest. They have what you call pie investing. So if you want to invest $100, you can split it up into different pies like this. It's very, very awesome, especially for beginners, and they do offer drip where you guys can pretty much use the dividends, reinvest it right back into the company and make a lot more money in the long term, guys. But obviously investing in general is perfect. I just want you guys to understand why I do not use Robinhood. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you got anything in value, hit that like button and subscribe. If you guys have questions, concerns, ask them down in the comments, and we'll see you later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, guys, and stay safe out there. Take care. Bam.